Hello, this is Johnny Bad, 6661, John FK Page again. This morning I went down to get on my motorcycle to head to work. Found my side bags open, and I wish this camera would have the ability to focus in on what's going on with my bike down there from the 9th floor. This is bullshit. You know, I wish it would give me an alert and somehow focus in, or you can update the program where it can focus in on a motorcycle from the 9th floor of a high rise. All right. This is Johnny B. Bad, 6661, John FK Page. Give you another video blog here soon. This is bullshit. You have to live your life on constant edge all the fucking time. And people can't do their shit alone. You got that primate disease. Well, anyway. Be another video blog here soon, like I said.